In this tutorial, we're comparing Tidio free plan versus Crisp free plan, two of the most popular live chat tools when it comes onto websites. If you want to add a chatbot to your website without paying anything, this is the tutorial for you. By the end of this video, you'll know which one gives you the most features for free and which one is better for AI and automation, and which free chat makes the most sense for your business. By the way, I've included links in the pinned comment and description so you can try out these platforms for completely free. Now let's dive in. To kick things off, what is Tidio Free? Tidio Free is the entry-level plan for Tidio all-in-one chat platform. On the free plan, you get live chat widget, basic chatbot functionality, shared inbox, and a limited number of conversations per month. Tidio free plan is basically designed to let small websites test live chat and basic automation before upgrading. Think of Tidio free plan as an AI-flavored live chat with limits. Remember, you only get a 7-day free period. On the other hand, when it comes onto Crisp and their free plan, you actually can use it free forever, as you can see right here. On the free plan, you get unlimited live chat conversations, shared inbox, website chat widget, and contact profiles. Crisp Free is more about real-time messaging than automation. Think of Crisp Free as unlimited live chat, no AI. Now, if we were to quickly look at the core differences when it comes onto both platforms, for example, when it comes onto Tidio Free, it focuses on AI chat and automation, but limits conversations, while Crisp, on the other hand, its free plan focuses on unlimited human-to-human chat but has no AI. So the real question is, do you want AI help with limits or unlimited live chat without AI? And if we were to also look at the key features of both platforms, starting with Tidio you'll get live chat widget, basic chatbot flows, AI agent access, shared inbox, and website integrations, for example, Shopify, WordPress. And also, what's the limit? You get limited monthly conversations, AI usage, and also advanced automation and ticketing features. The best way to think of it, Tidio Free lets you taste AI support, but you'll hit limits quickly. And remember, it only lasts for 7 days. While on the other hand, when it comes onto Crisp, what you'll get is unlimited live chat conversations, shared inbox, visitor profiles, and website chat widget, and multiple device support. On the other hand, it is missing a few stuff. For example, AI chatbot, no automation rules, and no advanced help desk features. So I would say Crisp Free Forever plan gives you unlimited chatting, but everything is manual. And if we were to quickly talk about the different use cases, I would say you can choose Tidio Free option if you want to test AI chatbots and have low traffic and want basic automation for FAQs and plan to upgrade later if it works. And this is a good option for persons that are running a small e-commerce site or early stage businesses and want to test out AI. While on the other hand, I would recommend that you choose Crisp Free plan if you want unlimited live chat and you have more visitors and chat and don't need AI or bots and prefer simple manual conversations. And it would be a good option for SaaS startups, service businesses, communities, and also early customer support. And I've left links in the description for both platforms. Hope you found this comparison helpful and informative.